Hello guys, and welcome back to another video with my champ Mason. Today you see I got my little things back there. It has finally came the Pokemon boxes. So I'm going to be opening this GENGAR EX box. Seems like the GENGAR came out as an Evolutions. But that's not all. There's more in the kitchen. It's a Beware GX pack and a shiny Tapu Koko GX pack. They're the same thing as this, except different Pokemon. And I just wanted to enjoy this video with y'all. Make sure to explode that like button for me, please. Comment anything below. Comment so we can pull something. Make sure to check out my other videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would like to thank everybody who has subscribed. It went to 8 to 14 subscribers. Thank you. And I'm really excited. There's an Evolutions pack right there. Evolutions is a really good one. It's one of my, not my favorites. I like it because you can get a lot of EXs out of it. But I just wanted to open this with y'all because it's kind of lonely when you're not doing that. And also this came from my channel. Well, it didn't come from my channel. It came on Amazon, but here we go. Here it is. The jumbo card's like messed up. How do I get this? Here we go. There it is. What a beautiful sight. The oversized card, GENGAR EX. I did something cool. Well, my dad did something cool with my binder. I'm gonna get this boy over here. Oh, it's heavy. He did this very cool thing. He took some pages out. Oh, this is so heavy. I can't even show y'all. But like, oh, I gotta show you though. But it's so hard. Oh, don't want to mess up my binder. But he did that where you can put that in there, and where all the jumbo cards that I get go. He said for this video, put this bad boy in there and get the mini one in and sleeve it up and put it in my other binder that I have. I have two. We'll be showing you my binder, not in this video, but in a different one. We got it sleeved up. Another look at it. Beautiful card. Love the decorations. Awesome with the balloon-like things to make it kind of creepy for a shadow Pokemon. May gives it a little awesomeness to it. Where is my other binder? Oh, it's in my room. Don't want to go in there. All the other stuff is here. You get 4 packs. More of 12 for the other ones. But you do get a code card. Well, I don't want anybody to steal it. You have our GENGAR normal sized EX. Put that code card right there. Want to use it for the TCG. Which one should I open first? Definitely not Evolutions. Flash. Oh, and a sun and moon. I'm gonna go with Fate. We get a Fate to collide. And this is 10. It actually, did we just, oh. Let's hope we get something out of any of these, really. What count was it? It was like, it was 4. Right. Oh, I'm so used to getting AdWords. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Mr. Mime. We get last special. Almanite. Devolution spray. Burmy. Lullaby. Larvitar. Oh, I see something. Seal. Rio. Oh! What? A pool. A hallelujah on the first booster. For the rare. Sun and moon time. This video is gonna go by quick. Unless I'm gonna go in my room and get my binder, it's not gonna be too quick. But if I do go get it, please, sorry. My fault, I should have got it. Oh. Where is it? Where is it? Oh. What word is it? There we go. Oh, card fell. Dark Energy. Torracat. And Lenten. Poison Barb. A Dragonair. Oh. Lenten and Torracat. Torkoal. Young Goose. Rowlet. Cosmog. Another Dragonair, except reverse holo and a Butterfree. Okay, down to the Primal Clash. Let's pull something. If I can even get this open. Let's pull for something. If I can even get this open. Let's pull something. Let's pull something in. And horsey. Change to Dynamo. Nidoran. Don't forget Tentacool. Reverse holo. Mudkip. You got to be kidding me. Ooh, what a good card. Character art wish cache. Trainer weakness policy. Another trainer. Max Maxie's hidden ball trick. Yeah. And right on. Ooh, right on. Evolutions time. What is going on? Oh. Mega Venusaur. Can I count on you, Pack? If I don't, it's fine. We still have 2 more to open. Hold on. Hold on, I need to read this real quick. What cartoon info? All trainers in Pokemon grow and evolve, and this expansion restores the very first Pokemon trading cards to glory with extra thrilling power of Mega Venusaur EX. Let's get that, maybe. Mega Charizard EX. Oh, yeah. And Mega Blastoise EX. Oh. Let's pull some. Or Mega Pidgeot. Really want that. Plus some wild surprises like Dragonite EX. Already pulled that before. Ninetales Break. No. Machamp. Mason. Machamp Break. And Mega Slowbro EX. Oh, let's pull that, baby. Okay. That's all the Pokemon. I bet you don't want to hear the trainers. Gotta catch 'em. Gotta catch 'em all. Mega Venusaur, let's get you. Or Mega Charizard. Or Charizard. I know evolutions we can count on. We can count on evolutions. I doubt it's not gonna have anything. Alright, oh, well, I was about to throw away the code cards. No. So what do we get? Magnemite, Water Energy, Growlithe, Machop, Voltorb. Ah! Oh! Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Chillin'. Oh, but let's treat this beauty right. Oh my gosh! Oh, what? Did you guys know? Did Charizard know? Charizard. Did you know? Commander. Did you know? Pikachu, did you know? Chico, I bet you know. No. I bet Mudkip. No. How about Poppy? Oh, the cutest Pokemon of all time. Just kidding, not that cute. If this was... Ooh, if this wasn't this was a first edition card. And it was hollow, not reverse hollow or reverse. This would have cost some money. And then, I bet you're wondering I'm crazy. I told you evolutions. Oh yeah, I bet you already know who has a curly tail, who starts with an R. I bet you know who it is. It's this bad boy. You gotta be kidding me. But dude, this guy does a lot. I mean, like, look at that, 170. And then 90. You're a boss. And then are you kidding me? At the top it says level 64. And then this one says level 40. Oh, this guy actually does it a lot. Kinda. It says for Spark Bolt, it starts with 70. And also you may discard all energy attached to this Pokemon. If you do, this attack does 70 more damage. 70 times 70 equals 140. Bruh. I think. Maybe. I just said it randomly. Let's go ahead and get these in their sleeves. Because they're good pulls. Are they? Leave that in the comments. I'm a kid. Watch my videos. I'm a kid. So, here we have my favorite Pokemon of all time. Not my favorite, but like my second, I guess. Sobble. He's a cute little thing. Look at him. He's just a little wizard. But let's leave him up in my sleeves. Actually, we have 4 cards to sleeve up. Pretty nice. But sadly, that's all. That's all that I have for you guys. For all of y'all out there, that's all I got. Please drop a like on this video to see more. And subscribe if you haven't. Please. For me. For Raichu. For Wishka. For Lugia. And for Zapdos. Please drop a like on this video. Comment below. Oh, there's a tear. Whoa. But that is all that, wait, what? Oh, hold up. Okay, well, that is all that I have for y'all. Except I just want to stay. Oh. I never finished the booster. Oh, wait. What? Huh? Oh, nothing happens. There it is. Wait. Reno. And a Pidgeot's Spirit Link. And a Switch. Not the Switch you're thinking of. Not a Nintendo. Neither a stick. Neither. And that is all that I have for y'all. Drop a like for Gengar too. He's happy with balloons. See, he's like, yay, smile. But drop a like for those guys. Subscribe to my channel. If you're new, my name is Machant Mason. So leave a like on this video, please. And that is all that I have for you. But drop a like on this video, please. For Rocky too, right, Bubbies? Bubbies, Rocky, 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 Rocky. Okay, that was me. He says yes. He's a lazy dog. He's laying there like a dog would. But drop a like on this video once more. That is all. And bye bye guys. And